Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we're going to learn one of the most important grammar topics in English, articles, a, an, and the. These are small words, but they make a big difference in speaking and writing correctly. Many English learners find articles confusing, but don't worry. In this lesson, I'll explain each one in a simple and easy way with clear rules, useful examples, and practical sentences. By the end of this lesson, you'll know when to use a, when to use an, when to use the, when not to use an article at all. So, grab your notebook and let's get started. Articles, a and the. Articles are small words that come before nouns. There are 3 articles in English: a, in, the. Let's learn how to use each one. 1. A. We use it before singular countable nouns that begin with a consonant sound. Examples: a book, a car, a dog, a teacher. Sentences: I have a book. She is a teacher. He bought a car. We saw a dog in the park. 2. An. We use in before singular countable nouns that begin with a vowel sound. Examples: an apple, an orange, an egg, an umbrella. Sentences: she ate an apple. He is an engineer. I have an umbrella. We saw an elephant at the zoo. 3. The. We use the when we talk about a specific person, place, or thing that both the speaker and the listener know. Examples: the sun, the moon, the internet, the door. Sentences: close the door. The book is on the table. We visited the museum yesterday. The sun is shining today. No article. Sometimes we do not use an article. This usually happens with general ideas, languages, meals, uncountable nouns, plural nouns when speaking generally. Examples: I like music. She drinks water. Children love games. English is easy. Breakfast is ready. Remember, choose a or an based on the sound, not the first letter. Correct. An hour, the H is silent. A university starts with the U sound. Quick comparison. Article use example: a before a consonant sound, a cat. And before a vowel sound, an elephant. The for a specific noun, the school. Memo lesson summary. Let's review what we learned today. Use a before singular countable nouns that begin with a consonant sound. Use in before singular countable nouns that begin with a vowel sound. Use the when talking about a specific person, place, or thing. Sometimes no article is needed, especially with general ideas, languages, meals, and uncountable nouns. Always choose a or an according to the sound, not the spelling. The more you read, listen, and practice English, the easier using articles will become. Clapperboard conclusion. Great job! Now you know how to use a, an, and the correctly. Practice by making your own sentences and try to notice articles whenever you read or listen to English. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day and keep learning English. Glowing star.